I'm Dr. Maya. I'm a plastic surgeon in the Washington, D.C. area. Let's talk about lip lift. Patients don't realize that over time with aging, the distance between the base of the nose and the lip becomes longer over time. So the elongation of the upper lip can age people, and sometimes that can cover the teeth. So we want a little bit of teeth show. That creates a very youthful look. So the lip lift can be done awake under local anesthesia or in combination with other rejuvenation procedures like a facelift. The procedure involves a small scar under the nose, which is very well hidden. A small amount of skin is removed and the lip is lifted in a very beautiful way. If you want to see some before and after pictures, go to the website and you can see nice changes. If you have any questions about that, call us or DM us. We are here to help you.